everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching Fridays and Fish Tales. I am Tulna and today I am back with another video after a long time with a new backdrop of course. So in today's video I am going to show you how you can braid a side parted Dutch braid on your hair. You can create this hairstyle on your bad hair day. Also you can do it on your good hair days. So okay, now I am babbling, so let's get into the video. Create a side partition and divide your hair as shown here. Clip the rest of your hair to avoid the mess. Now start by taking a small section of hair and divide it into 3 sections. Now take the right section and cross it under the middle section. And take the left section and cross it under the middle section. So here comes the tricky part. Take the right section, cross it under the middle section, grab some hair from the right side and add it to the braid into the middle section. Similarly, braid the left section under the middle section, grab some hair from the left side and add it into the middle section. Repeat the steps and try keeping the braid as tight as possible. You can also watch my video on how to Dutch braid on yourself for beginners. Stop adding head after you reach your ears and braid it into a simple 3-strand braid. So here our braid is complete. Tuck your braid behind the ears for a fun look. Here's a better view of the braid. It's so cool, isn't it? Unclip the rest of your hair and you're good to go. And here is the final look. Wow! Apart from a bad hair day, it's perfect for a Saturday night party, isn't it? And you can even carry it on a Sunday brunch. So what are you waiting for? Try it out. So I hope you all liked my video. Do tell me in the comment section if you want me to create more videos on hairstyle to do on a bad hair day. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Comment in the if you liked my video. Yeah, comment in the comment box if you liked my video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Keep watching. And here's a picture of mine where I actually braided it on a bad hair day.